In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Text correction options are the best way to make typing much faster and efficient on Samsung devices. If you want to find them fast, just go into Settings, scroll all the way down, and click on General Management, where keyboard settings are located on every Samsung smartphone I ever tested. Over here. So click on Samsung keyboard settings and then manage all of those smart typing options however you want to. When you're done with all of those, hit more typing options at the bottom and manage them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!